Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will be reviewing RiseGuide App. RiseGuide App marketed itself as a personal development tool focused on building charisma and confidence, and it mostly delivers. The app offers short daily lessons and social psychology, body language, and communication techniques. It features breakdown of charmistic figures like Robert Downey Jr. and others, analyzing what make them magnetic. One standout feature is the AI coaching, which offer tips tailored to your progress. The app is positioned as a low-cost alternative to hiring a personal coach, aiming to improve both personal and professional presence. However, it is still relatively unknown, with limited independent reviews. While the content may be helpful, users should be cautious of marketing hype and in-app upsells. Final verdict: Right Guide app is a confidence boosting tool, especially for beginners. If you find this video helpful, so please like this video and also subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.